Oh. Okay. Oh, good, good. Okay. Thanks. What? Hey, sheep. What are you? Hey, sheep. Hey. Oh my god. Namin.
So cute.
Ah, thank you, Jared. They try the escape the lamb from the rescue ship. Ah, rescue ship. Oh, what? Hey, hey, hey. You threw the ship. Where are you? Oh my god. Why? Oh my god, that's no, I'm not smiling. I'm just crying, guys. Namin.
It's a sheep. Oh no, he's stuck. That's bad. Bad? You see what I did there? Nice.
Okay.
He's free.
Doman's reaction was like,
oh my god. Oh my god.
So Namin.
So I'm really surprising that. Oh my god. Sorry for maybe that ship is alive, right? Maybe alive. Oh, maybe alive, right? Yeah.
BDN.
Thank you, Arjuna. Thank you. I hope so. Yeah, I hope so. 살아있어야 돼. Why you? Because I didn't expect that they saved the ship, but they escaped from ship from there. They're stuck there like that, but they tried to kill the ship again. So I'm really surprised of that. So yeah, so I didn't expect that. Yeah, thank you.